Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India reported on the Thursday 43,509 new corona cases and 640 deaths from the disease in the last 24 hours, said the Health Ministry in the statement. India's total cases increased to 31 crore 52 lakh 8,114 and total fatalities are at 4 lakh 22,066. It has administered more than 450 millions vaccine dose since start on the insulation campaign. Delhi government asked for and college saying it want to hear views as COVID-19 cases fall in the city. 12th Foundation of News Movement will be celebrated on 1st August 2021 in the premises of District Library, Asansol. There will be a recitation in Bengali, English, Hindi, ghazal in Urdu, quiz for all, drama, songs, dance. Usually it is used to celebrate Foundation Day in the name of Movement Ustav. But due to the pandemic situation, it will be symbolic Movement Ustav. 12. Please follow COVID guidelines. For more details, contact 9563830285, 8617659448, 7501064378, and another number is 7872104695. Section increased to 15 strictly instructed on night curfew. The ban on COVID-19 control in the state has been extended till August 15. The ban imposed till July 31 has been extended till August 15. That notification has been issued since Thursday morning. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. The Foundation, a program of health awareness and mask distribution, was held in the premises of Mahavir Mandir. Asansol Municipal Corporation Board Chairman Amarnath Chatterjee, Arun Sharma and Board Member Purnana Sasi Rai were present on the occasion. These people wore masks to those who came to and went on the way and advised them to wear masks. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. District level meeting organized by East Bardhaman Trinamool Congress Hindi Cell, venue Nehru Vidya Mandir, Bardhaman, date 28 July 2021, Wednesday, time 3 p.m. Topic under decision 1, organizational area with dense population of Hindi speaker, what Panchayat booth program for next 3 months area wise for Hindi speakers. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Petition was given to the Asansol District Magistrate Office demanding employment on behalf of the youth organization Yubsri project on behalf of West Bardhaman District Committee of West Bengal Yubsri Employment Bank Employees Association. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Indian Scout and Guide Eastern Region organized a 3-day virtual youth Qualcomm on July 26, 27, 28 under the direction of Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director Eastern Region, in which scouting courses keeping in view the National Education Policy. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Special train to run between Sialda and Lokmanya Tilak terminus Asansol for the convenience of the computer. One special train will run between Sialda and Lokmanya 03179 Sialda Lokmanya Tilak T Super Special via Dankuni will leave Sialda at 8:30 hours on every day Sunday between 8 August 2021 and 26 September 2021. 8 trips to reach Lokmanya Tilak T at 7:25 hours on the third day. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol blood donation and free eye checkup camp was organized under the joint auspices of Asansol North Block 1 Trinamool Congress and Notun Hot Sammelan near Kali number 2 Annas Road. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. So the divisional election of the association was held on Thursday at the office of All India SC/ST Railway Employee Association located at Asansol Station Road 13th turn. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Seventh day of Tokyo 2020 began on the rousing note as Ace Sultan PV Sindhu defeated Denmark's Milla Bielefeld to enter the quarter-finals, followed by the Indian men hockey team beating defending champions Argentina 3-1 to confirm a spot in the last 8 stage. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. RM Asansol inspected Asansol Madhupur Giridih section of Asansol Division Asansol 29 July 2021. Sri Sumit Sarkar Divisional Railway Manager Asansol inspected Jamtara station and inspected progress of construction work of new foot-over bridge FOB and advised accordingly to concerned officer. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Life is short, live it. Fear is natural, face it. Memory is powerful, use it. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.